Gatsby AI has just been released, and if you're curious about whether it lives up to the hype, stick around because I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing AI software. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Gatsby AI can do for you and whether it's worth your time and investment. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First, let's talk about what makes Gatsby AI stand out from the flood of new AI tools hitting the market. This software is specifically designed for digital marketers looking to streamline and optimize their campaigns using cutting-edge AI technology. The promise? To save you time while boosting the effectiveness of your marketing strategy. One of the standout features of Gatsby AI is its incredible ability to analyze massive amounts of data quickly and accurately. In the world of marketing, data is king, but sifting through it manually can take up valuable time. Gatsby automates this process, giving you real-time insights into your campaigns, allowing you to make informed decisions instantly. No more waiting days for reports. Gatsby AI delivers actionable data at the speed of thought. Another reason Gatsby AI is creating such a buzz is its integration capabilities. Whether you're using CRM software, email marketing platforms, or advertising networks, Gatsby seamlessly integrates with all of them. This means no more jumping between different tools or struggling with complex workflows. Everything is centralized, making it incredibly user-friendly, even for those who aren't very tech-savvy. But here's where Gatsby really sets itself apart: its ability to optimize ads automatically. Gatsby AI can run thousands of tests on different versions of your ads and find the best performing ones in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This is huge for anyone looking to increase ROI while reducing the need for constant tweaking and experimentation. If you're in the business of lead generation, Gatsby AI also excels here. It uses AI to qualify and nurture leads, meaning you can stop wasting time on cold prospects. Instead, the software focuses your efforts on high potential leads that are more likely to convert, streamlining the entire sales process. Another impressive feature is Gatsby's content generation capabilities. If you're struggling to come up with fresh ideas for blog posts, ads, or even social media posts, Gatsby AI can help. It uses advanced natural language processing to generate engaging, relevant content that aligns with your brand's voice, saving you hours of brainstorming. And here's a key point: Gatsby AI is still relatively new, but it's already showing incredible promise in terms of scalability. Whether you're running a small business or managing large-scale marketing operations, Gatsby can grow with you, adapting to your needs without skipping a beat. Lastly, while there are many AI tools out there, Gatsby is particularly useful for people who are new to marketing automation. The learning curve is minimal, making it a great option if you're just getting started with AI-driven marketing or automation. If you're intrigued, you can actually try Gatsby AI completely free through the first link in the description below. That way, you can get hands-on experience with the software and see if it's the right fit for you. But before you go, here's my recommendation. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed it down to a handful of platforms that I trust. If you're serious about taking your marketing to the next level, check out my list of recommended AI tools in the description. Each one comes with a free trial, so you can see exactly how they perform in real-world conditions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.